Very good morning all present here.
Good morning, sir.
National Seminar on Recent Advances in Geography and Sustainable Development. This is one-day national seminar, and this is the not only the only initiative has been taken by our geography department, whereas we have been seeing that such type of activities are the practice of this department, and I congratulate the entire team who are organizing this sort of academic activity here. This seminar is being chaired by our chief guest, Professor Subrata Datta sir. He is our own controller of examination of MDS University and renowned professor in geography. Sir, we welcome you. Our own Professor Milan Yadav sir. He is professor in GCA Ajmer, and he is also a renowned faculty in the Department of Geography. Many of the students, those who are pursuing their career in higher education and other sectors, they believe that they have studied under him, and they always admire his efforts and his knowledge. Sir, we welcome you. This seminar is in collaboration with E-Learning Institute of Geoinformatics, New Delhi. Therein we have the experts from the institute with us, Dr. Dhruv Saxena, Mr. Aman Kakkar, Ms. Shubhangi Raman. I welcome you all, sir. Ma'am. Our own Director and Secretary, sir, CA Subhash Agarwal ji. He is always our mentor and guide, and always generous to permit us to conduct such type of activities here, to encourage our students and other people also to participate in and learn more and more about their respective field. I am not a student of geography, but I presume and I believe that geography is a subject which is to be studied by each and everyone because it is part of our life. When we talk about the advancement in geography, I believe that every one of us is using those technologies which are being developed and researched by the geography department. GPS is the most important thing which we all have been using here so far. Remote sensing and geographic information practices, something like that. Various techniques are there. I could not get all those techniques which are practically is being used by the common man, but yes, we people are somewhere directly or indirectly related to all these things. When we talk about the advancements in geography, there are a lot, and geography itself is not an only alone subject, whereas it is being associated and affiliated to various other branches of the science also. Engineering and other departments are also supporting geography department. So it is basically a seminar which is not only for the geography students, it is for each and everyone, those who have any sort of interest in advancement in the entire world. The only thing which I could speak up further, that sustainable development. Because I am not an expert in the geography, but I can certainly say that when we talk about the sustainable development, this is the only thing that everybody should be worried about. What exactly the word sustainable development is, you all know that sustainable stands for that things which we have today are to be sustained further for our future generation. We people are so sometimes selfish and self-centered that we try to use the resources of our earth for our own purpose. Rather, we generally don't foresee that what may happen to our future generation. You are seeing that happenings in the entire world, like Turkey's earthquake and Joshimath land sinking and landslide in Uttarakhand, and various other things are happening. Natural calamities are happening. Why these are happening nowadays? It is because of the extraordinary extortion of our natural resources. We all know that technology is always needed, but the development cannot be at the cost of devastation. We people believe in that development is necessary. Development is the growth, but development at what cost? Development at the cost of our future generation is not acceptable. That's what actually I would say one example here, that if we are inheriting something from our forefathers, For example, suppose your father, your grandfather left some money in bank account for you, and it is your duty to maintain the same amount for your future generation as well. It is not that you have right to consume the entire money and spend and live, lavishly. So what I want to convey, we should understand the things. There are two different topics today we are going to discuss in the entire day. That what exactly the advancements are there in the geography, and how we have to maintain our resources and leave something good for our future generation. That is what exactly the sustainable development, what I believe so. So I wish all the best all the participants and the experts. They are there from Delhi. They will be certainly explaining you why they are insisting that you should learn more about the geographical advancements in your discipline, in your subject as well. Rather, they will certainly tell you that how we can use those resources and how we can leave the resources for our next generation in the way that they should also thank us कि our forefathers और हमारे जो पुराने लोग थे, उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं किया कि अपना सब कुछ उन्होंने अपने फायदे के लिए किया। हम जनरली ऐसा देखते हैं कि जैसा मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा बताया कि हम देखते हैं कि जो विकास है वो विनाश की तर्ज पे नहीं होना चाहिए। विकास और विनाश दो अलग अलग चीज है। विकास के नाम पे आप विनाश किया जाता है। हम अपने जो है पहाड़ों को काट देते हैं, हम अपने नदियों का मुंह मोड़ देते हैं, हम जंगलों को काट देते हैं, हम जो है आज जो अपने ब्लैक होल का जो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, ओजोन परत जो हमारी डिटोरिएट हो रही है, ये सारी चीजें क्या है? ये सारी चीजें हमारे को चेतावनी दे रही है कि आने वाला समय हमारे जनरेशन के लिए हो सकता है खराब हो। तो मेरा यह मानना है, हम सब की ये ड्यूटी है, मेरी भी आपके साथ साथ ड्यूटी है कि हम लोग अपने रिसोर्सेज को, हमारी अर्थ को, हमारे प्लेनेट को, हमारे आने वाली जनरेशन को बचा के रखें। और आज के कार्यक्रम के लिए आपको अगेन बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।